not really.
So, and when two of them flow around in Atlanta, I think that's where we should go. Last year we went to Milwaukee, Darwin, wonderful. You know, we had a wonderful time. This year, Tampa. So next year, I think Alabama.
No, Alabama.
So what we're gonna do, make sure we have everybody's address and phone number, because what we're gonna do so it won't be so hard on one person, we're gonna be asking for a donation during the year. We're gonna give everybody time enough to figure out if they're able to go, what they need to pay. Is everybody agreeable with it?
Yes.
Okay, so next year, Atlanta, now remember, 4th of July is on a Tuesday next year, so we won't actually do the 4th of July, we'll do that weekend. Does that sound good? We'll do that Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay? Everybody agreeable? Okay. Okay then. Now let me get a face.